Hello everyone, my name is Tina Pehi and I'm an innovation coach at Keystone Academy Beijing. So the app that I'm going to be sharing with you is called ClassroomScreen. And this app is quite useful for classroom management. So first of all, if you'd like to have a background when you're doing your session, let's try to change it. And if say for example, it's very timely, it's Halloween, then you can use that one to change that background. You can also upload your own photo, but I'm just gonna choose the ones from here. You might also want to use the random name generator. So I just put a bunch of names here to play with. Ta-dun, ta-dun, ta-dun. And there you go. It's time for Isabella to share. Or you might also want to use dice for random number generator, or if you want to play games with your students. Let's see how it goes. And then you also have options if you would like 2 or 3 to use. There's also the sound level. So if the noise is too much, then you will see, or if the noise is like soft or extreme, something like that, then you will see the noise level. You can even have the sensitivity to 5, or the top is 5. So you can increase or decrease the sensitivity of your session. The other thing that you can do is to add media to your presentation. So you can add photo from your device. You may also search for YouTube videos that you would like to share with your students, or you may also use the webcam. So those are the options for media. And this is something that I find really cool. So say, for example, I want to instantly generate QR code. So I'm going to say, for example, bitmoji.com. And let's see, I'm going to use my phone. I'm going to scan it. And let's see if it's going to go to bitmoji.com. There you go. Isn't that cool? Instant QR code generator. Here you go. Feel free to explore other amazing features of ClassroomScreen like work symbols, drawing tools, traffic light, etc.